In today's video, we are going to show you how to open a demo account on Tradovate. Now, in case you missed our first video on how to create an account on Tradovate, you might want to check that first because this video is a continuation. So you can practice trading before diving into a live account. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is on the top corner, you will see an option to open an account. I want you to click on it. This will forward you to a new page wherein you can create a demo account by selecting the individual, and this is where the fun begins. When selecting the trade mode, live trading means you're using a real funded account, while simulation is the demo account where you can practice trading without risking real money. Click on simulation and you'll be forwarded to the demo trading platform. Once inside, you can start exploring the features and tools available. You'll notice on the top corner that your account is labeled demo. This is a clear indicator that you are not trading with real funds. Take your time, immerse yourself in the platform, explore the tools, test strategies, and get comfortable before moving to a live account. And basically that's it. Now you have successfully created your demo account on Tradovate. Now you can practice trading without risking any real money. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.